Hi, my name is Shikha Singh and I'm from PGP batch 2020-2022. My topic for IP video submission is physical deficit. So what is physical deficit? It is the difference between the government's total revenue generated and the total expenditure. So government usually generate this revenue by collecting taxes by GST or personal income tax or corporate tax, and the expenditure mainly constitutes from salaries of government employees, pensions, repayment of interests, uh, also by giving away the subsidies to people as well as the social welfare schemes. So how government meet this fiscal deficit? Government usually meet this fiscal deficit by borrowing from RBI or through foreign investors or from public by generating bonds. So looking at the last year data, budget 2020 kept the fiscal deficit target at around 3.5%, but by the year ended, it got in the combined fiscal deficit of central and state government touched the uh, value of 9.8% of the GDP. So why did it happen? It happened due to the COVID-19 situation, which increased expenditure of the government, as well as at the same time it decreased the revenue generated primarily through collection, which got collapsed last year due to the several reasons like job losses, salary cut, also the lockdown which stagnated the economy, resulting in this large amount of fiscal deficit. So, and looking at this year's budget data, budget 2021 kept the fiscal deficit target of around 6.8%, keeping in mind the current scenario of this year. So, if we look at the ideal fiscal deficit target, it is actually 3.3% of the GDP as per mentioned by the FRBM Act. So, how this fiscal deficit affects us as well as the government? Fiscal deficit problem. To tackle this deficit problem, government usually resort to cutting down to the expenses by cutting down the salaries of people, or by reducing the benefits extended towards the people, which in result decrease the purchasing power of the people. It also affects us in a way. It increases the taxes on petrol or diesel, especially when even when the prices of these commodities getting got decreased last year in the global market. And the if we look at the larger level, this physical deficit problem may decrease the credit rating of the India at the international market, which will affect the SIPs to the value of Indian rupee with respect to the Indian dollar. So, what suggestions or what solutions we can take to tackle this financial deficit problem? Government can restrict its expenditure by reducing amount it spends on itself, primarily not resorting to cutting down the salaries who are on the lower level, but by cutting down the expenses and amount they or the luxuries they provide to the ministers and higher executive level officers. Also, by increasing the tax base, we can reduce the, we can increase the expenditure of the government. But but already India is like a highly taxed country. But if we look at the grassroots level, the tax ambit of actual tax ambit is very low because due to several reasons like loopholes, corruptions, or tax evasions. We can also increase the operational level of the public sector enterprises to increase the revenue of the government. And if it's not that possible, then we can look at the other substitutes like disinvestment of the government stakes in PSEs. We can also reduce the subsidies, which are not that important, also refinancing the old debts of the government. Thank you.